Hello and welcome to this meditation for loving kindness. Find a comfortable position, preferably lying down so that you can become fully relaxed. And begin to become aware of your hands. Imagine that you can feel a warm sensation in your hands and allow it to grow. The warmth is soothing and calm. Just be fully aware of your hands and how they feel beside you right now. Feel a nice relaxation sweep over you. Allow your eyes to gently close, which relaxes you even more. Draw your awareness to your right hand only now. And even though you want to relax your hands, begin to wiggle your right fingers, imagining that when you wiggle them, you are generating relaxation by doing so. And when I ask you to stop wiggling them, you will feel a wave of relaxation travel all the way up your entire arms. Continue wiggling, feeling your fingers ready to become still, and stop moving them. Notice how immediately that wave of relaxation travels up your right arm, all the way up your neck and to your right ear, relaxing the right side of your head too. Feel how good you feel on the right side. So let's continue this same process on the left side, bringing your awareness to only your left hand. Feeling the warm sensations that are soothing. Take a nice breath before you begin to wiggle all of your left fingers. Wiggle your fingers now to generate relaxation. Continue doing so. Imagine that you are building relaxation in your fingers by moving them. Keep going for a few moments longer. Your fingers are becoming tired and ready to relax. So stop moving them and feel how good your hand feels when it's motionless. Noticing that wave of relaxation travels up your entire left arm to your neck and left ear and the left side of your head. Now your left arm and right arm all the way up to your head are equally relaxed. Notice how you feel right now. We are going to do the same process with your legs, beginning with your right toes. So wiggle your toes on your right foot, cultivating and building relaxation. Continue moving your toes so that they become tired and want to be still. And rest your toes. Do not move them at all. And feel a gentle, yet profound relaxation traveling up your right leg, passing through your right hip, relaxing you all the way through your torso and right chest and back. Good. And do the same thing with your left toes. Wiggle them, wiggle, cultivating and building relaxation. Continue moving your toes so that they become tired and want to be still. And rest your toes, do not move them at all. Feeling that gentle and profound relaxation travel up your left leg, passing over your left hip, relaxing you all the way through your torso and left back. Good. You are now completely balanced in relaxation. Humans have the unique ability to visualize, which allows for creation of all kinds to take place. So let's use the power of your amazing visualization abilities to induce kindness and love. Making sure your eyes are closed, begin to imagine yourself full of abundance and self-love. Allow this self-love to expand to those you know and care about. And now expand to everyone in the town. And even further. Love is endless. It has no boundaries. It has no limit. So allow your kindness and love to expand to everyone in the world right now. And send it out to everyone, even those who have committed crimes. Grace them with your kindness right now. And hear yourself saying, when I fully love myself, I am able to fully love others. Each day I allow my love for myself to grow more and more. I honor the joy that comes with experiencing love. I love and accept everything about myself. Truly loving myself makes kindness come easy for me. The more I love myself, the more kindness I send to others. I love every moment of my existence. I have unconditional love within me that overflows in abundance to everyone around me. Great. Now gently opening your eyes, take a fresh breath. And know whenever you love yourself, you will find love. Thank you.